Hey everybody, Adina Diaz here, your skincare guru, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have not had a chance to catch up on my YouTube videos on doing my reviews on my favorite subscription box, which is the EcoBeauty Bytes. It's a combo of Lotus Moon skincare products and Plain Jane Beauty, and as well Detox RX products. So this is the month of April, and like I said, I'm behind, so I'm catching up, but I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box with you guys. So this, the box for April is from Anna over at Anna Aesthetics in Santa Barbara. She's such a sweetie pie. I absolutely love her. If you guys don't know her, go follow her on Instagram. It's at Anna_aesthetics_SB. So she went ahead and did the month of April, and I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling some of the stuff out with you guys. Ooh, okay, the first thing I see, which is my new freaking fave here at the spa, it is Lotus Moon Skincare, the Coconut Cream Hydrating Cleanser. So how I explain this cleanser to my clients, it's a marriage between the Amaranth Gentle Cleanse Gel Cleanser and the Green Tea and Lavender Cleansing Milk. It has a milky consistency, but squeaky clean cleanse. Completely removes all of the dirt, pollution, smog, makeup, everything off of the skin. It's totally squeaky clean cleanse, but it feels so smooth and hydrated afterwards. You can use this with cleansing devices. I absolutely love using this with my Skin Buddy, the Clarisonic. You can use it with any of the rotary brushes at all, the Nano one. Any of them you can use it with. So I absolutely love this cleanser. And it lasts for a really long time. A little bit goes a long ways, remember guys. Okay, ooh, another good one. So this is a Detox RX Live Free. This is an internal supplement. So this is 100% all natural herbal supplement. This is my go-to for detoxing when I am, out and about and I'm eating a lot of sugar and I'm drinking maybe too much alcohol, too much caffeine, and I need to do a deep cleanse. This is my go-to. This is a combo of milk thistle and dandelion root. It's great for doing at nighttime because our body is going into replenishing and cleansing mode. So I do a little bit before I go to bed, and just helps kick the process of just detoxing the liver, which is huge not only for a deep cleanse but also for people with acne. A lot of people who break out on the chin, this is very connected to our liver, our bladder, and obviously as women, this is the hormonal area. So this is really gonna significantly help with that, and it actually tastes really delicious too. I love it. So check that one out too, you guys. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is definitely my go-to. This is my personal favorite acid at night. So I'm a huge fan of using acids at night, not during the day. The day you have sun exposure, heat, sweat, you're exposed. If you have AHAs, BHAs, glycolic, lactic, salicylic, retinols, any of that stuff on the skin, it is going to be more attracted to the sun. You're gonna be more sensitive. You can cause reverse damages to the skin, so be careful when you're using acids. I only suggest to my clients to use acids at night, not during the day, for the purpose of the sun and the heat, especially here in Los Angeles, California. So back to the product. This is from Lotus Moon Skincare. This is Firm and Refined Night Gel. So it even says night gel, so use it at night. This is a combo of lactic and glycolic. So this is gonna break down the old dead skin cells and digest and eat it away safely. It's gonna help accelerate new emergence of new beautiful cells at the top surface. It's gonna help with the texture, it's gonna help with the tone. It's very gentle, has a little bit of a tingle to it, but nothing too significant. Even if you're using this at night, in the day, you would still wear an SPF. So never go without an SPF, especially when using acids. But this is a great one for people with enlarged pores, some texture issues, some hyperpigmentation. I like to integrate my clients with this one because it's gentle. Lactic is a very hydrating acid, and then you have glycolic, which is very anti-aging. So it's the umbrella of hydrating the skin and then treating the skin. So this is a fantastic one. And then also, another favorite of the spa right now is the Plain Jane Beauty setting, coconut water setting mist. So this has calendula flower and poppy seed oil, hydrating, calming, and refreshing. So this is not gonna be comedogenic. This is not gonna have fragrance. This is not gonna have dimethicone. This is not gonna have dyes. It's very calm, very soothing. It's very, very light, but it's gonna set your makeup, and it's just gonna help give that extra boost of hydration, help the makeup last longer throughout the day. day and just constantly give you a little bit of a boost of a dewy, hydrated, glowy look. So completely fragrance free, you guys, balances the skin. You literally hold it 6 inches away from the face and spray it. I mean, I like pretty much spray it on top of it, but you hold it away a little bit and spray, get the whole area, and it just feels hydrating, it feels soothing, it feels calming. I just love the feeling of it. I even do it sometimes before my makeup, just for an extra hydration, and then I'll do it after when I'm setting. So this stuff will last you forever too. And then a couple more guys in here. Oh yeah, lip recovery. This is your lips savior. This will save your lips. This stuff is amazing. I'm obsessed with this lip balm. I cannot go without it. It's in my pocket, it's in my purse, it's by all my products by my nightstand. It's in my bathroom, it's in back bar at the service. This stuff I love. It's absolutely fantastic and hydrating. It's a combo of sweet almond oil, beeswax, castor oil, avocado oil, shea butter, coconut butter, jojoba, metal foam, evening primrose, aloe vitamin E, rosemary. Come on, seriously? It's delicious. It's all the amazing butters and oils combined together in a heavenly little tube on your lips. It's delicious. So this is my go-to summertime. Lips get dry naturally because it's hot and it's dry outside. So I like to keep them hydrated and moist. No one likes chappy lips. So this is your go-to. Last but not least is the eye color. This one is Canyon. Yeah, a matte, soft, dark, deep brick color. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. So this is gonna go on all skin types, all skin tones. This is talc free. I do not use products with talc in it. It's extremely toxic. No dimethicone, so it's not gonna clog you. And it's gonna look beautiful on all skin tones. You can use it for a primer, and then you can use it obviously for building and just a darker shadow. And I love to just, I love to put this on, and sometimes I'll put like a little more shimmery on top of it, and a little bit of black eyeliner for a little pop when I'm going out. And safe, natural, organic cosmetics, plain Jane beauty. So there you go, boys and girls. That is the April box. I know it's super delayed, but it's such an amazing box that I needed to talk about it and talk about the products that are in it. And you guys go follow Anna if you aren't already. She's amazing. She's a total sweet pea. I love her. Another girl here in Southern California. And I'm excited too about the upcoming box for May, which I'm going to talk about shortly here. In the upcoming box, there's a really awesome product called the Lash Brilliance, and we'll talk about it more in depth once I do reveal that box. But I did love on the back of this one, it shows how to apply your facial serum properly. This is so simple, but so many people don't do it right. So thank you, Lotus Moon. Thank you, EcoBeauty Box, for providing this information, because people really don't know, unfortunately, what they're doing, and it's not their fault. That's why we're here to educate them. Anyways, all right, thanks guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.